Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well at your home. So as you know that we are in chapter number 5, division. So in previous video we discussed about properties of division with exercise 5th B. Right? So today we will discuss about exercise 5th C. Okay. So this exercise topic is long division. Okay, so you can see here long division. So how to calculate long division? Let's see by one example. Okay, so I am giving here one example. Okay, so here our question is that 369 divided by 3, right? So first of all, here we have to know which is called dividend and which is called divisor. So here 369 is called dividend and 3 is called divisor, right? Okay, so first what we have to do here, so यहाँ पे हम टर्न बाय टर्न वन डिजिट चेक करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर 3 और यहाँ पे डिवाइजर 3 है तो हम 3 का टेबल ही यूज़ करेंगे, राइट? सो 3 इन 3 टेबल वेयर कम 3, सो 3 1s are 3. ओके, सो 3 minus 3 0. एंड हियर टर्न बाय टर्न मैंने बोला अभी ऐसा 6 ब्रिंग डाउन, 6 को हम नीचे ले आएंगे. ओके, सो नाउ हियर 6 इन 3 टेबल वेयर कम 6, so 3 2s are 6, so here we write 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 again 0. Okay, so again turn by turn next one digit अगर है तो हम नीचे ले आएंगे. 9 again bring down. Okay, so again in a 3 table where comes 9, 3 3s are 9, so 9 minus 9 again 0. Okay, so here our answer is 123. कोई ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि 0 is our answer, no. So here our answer is, or also called quotient, and 0 is called remainder. Okay, right? I hope you got it this method. Okay, so now in textbook page number 57, you can see in your textbook page number 57 exercise 5th C, question number 1. Okay, so everyone write in a notebook. This exercise we have to do in our fair notebook. Okay, so exercise 5th C, we have to write like this. Okay, long division, exercise 5th C, question number 1, divide, and then after we will start first one. Okay, in one page only one sum we have to do. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे तो 1 ही करेंगे, अगर साइड में स्पेस है तो 1 and 2, but no one student can write 1 and 2 here. No, in your notebook only here one sum. If here space, then you can do here 1 and 2, but no one write like this 1 and 2. Okay, okay. So now first one is 64 divided by 2. Okay, so here 64 divided by 2. Okay, so अब हमें यहाँ पे 2 का टेबल देखना है, because of here divisor is 2. Okay, so 1 digit हम लेते हैं, यहाँ पे 6 है. Okay, तो in 6 in 2 table where comes 6, then 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 6 minus 6 0, right? Okay, so अब नेक्स्ट डिजिट की बारी. देन 4 ब्रिंग डाउन, 4 को हम नीचे ले आएंगे यहाँ पे. ओके, सो इन 2 टेबल वेयर कम्स 4, 2 के टेबल में 4 कहाँ पे आता है? देन 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 again 0. Okay, so here our answer is 32. Okay, so here second one, B1. 96 divided by 96 divided by 3. Okay, so we write, okay, so here 9 in 3 table, where comes 9? Then 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 0. एंड अब बारी है नेक्स्ट डिजिट की, तो उसको हम नीचे ले आएंगे. लेट 6 ब्रिंग डाउन. सिमिलरली इन ए 3 टेबल वेयर कम 6. देन 3 2s are 6. Again 6 minus 6 0. Here our answer is 32. Similar both the answer. Okay, so next one, C1. 84 divided by 4. 84 divided by 4. Right? Okay. So we write 84 divided by 4. Okay, so similar. फर्स्ट वन डिजिट हम देखेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 4 का टेबल हमें देखना है. तो इन फोर्थ टेबल वेयर कम्स 8. देन 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. 4 bring down 4. Then 4 table where comes 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. So here our answer is 21. Okay, so now D1. 36 divided by 3. Right? You cannot write like this, huh? You have to write here 1 and here 2. Then after next page, here 1 and here 2. Right? You cannot write like this, me. Okay? Okay, so next one is D1. 36 divided by 3. Okay, so let's write 36. First of all, we write like this form. Division form. Right? Okay. So 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 0. Let 6 bring down. In 3 table where comes 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. So here our answer is 12. Okay, so next one is E1. 39 divided by 3. Okay, so let's write in form 39 divided by 3. Okay, so here 3 and 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 0. Let's bring down 9. Okay, so in 3 table where comes 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 0. Okay, so last one, F1. 46 divided by 2. 46 divided by 2. Okay. Okay, so in 2 table where comes 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. 6 bring down. In 2 table where comes 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Here our answer is 23. Okay, ये था हमारा 2 डिजिट का डिवीज़न, लॉन्ग डिवीज़न. राइट? सो नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन, वर्क आउट द फॉलोइंग डिवीज़न सम. ओके, सो हियर वी राइट सेकेंड वन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वर्कआउट. यहाँ पे हम हेडिंग लिखेंगे सबसे पहले. वर्क आउट द फॉलोइंग डिवीजन सम। अब हम बात करेंगे A1 की। तो A1 हम लिखते हैं यहाँ पर, वो है 333 डिवाइड बाई 3, 333 डिवाइड बाई 3। ओके, सो लेट्स राइट in division form first. So 333 divided by 3. Okay, so first of all, turn by turn, one digit, let's check. Okay, so in 3 table where comes 3? So 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. So let's bring down to 3. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So this is the called long division of 3 digit, right? So ये है हमारा 3 digit का long division. Easy or not? Okay. So B1 369 divide by 3. Okay. In 3 table where come 3? one digit check करेंगे. So 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So here 6 bring down. In 3 table where comes 6? 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6, again 0. 9 bring down. In 3 table where comes 9? 3 के टेबल में 9 कहाँ पे आता है? 3 threes are 9. So here our answer is 123, right? So next one question is C1 402 divide by 2. Okay, so let's write in form. ओके, सो चेक करेंगे हम one डिजिट. ओके, सो इन 2 टेबल वेयर कम्स 4. सो 2 2s are 4. सो 4 minus 4, 0. अब देखो यहाँ पे 0 को हम ब्रिंग डाउन करके यहाँ पे नीचे ले आए. ओके, सो यहाँ पे है 0. तो इन 2 टेबल वेयर कम्स 0. देन 2 zeros are 0. अभी हम ये प्रोसेस करते हैं, बट जब हमें पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे 0 हम नीचे ले आएंगे तो भी कोएफिशिएंट में भी हम यहाँ पे 0 लिखेंगे. बट अभी तक हम ऐसी प्रोसेस करेंगे ताकि हमें पता चले कि ऊपर यहाँ पे 0 क्यों आया है. ओके, देन हियर 2 ब्रिंग डाउन. देन इन 2 टेबल वेयर कम्स 2. देन 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So here our answer is 201, right? Okay, so now in your textbook page number 57, you can see here exercise 5th C क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के हमने A, B और C क्वेश्चन अभी कैलकुलेट किए हैं. नाउ इन योर होमवर्क D, E, F, G, H, D to H, D, E, F, G, H in your homework, right?